Stocks like you'd own a farm or apartment house, you don't get a quote on those every day or every week or anything. You look at the business, and the value of American business depends on how much it delivers in cash to its owners over between now and Judgment Day, and I don't think it changes in 10% in a 2-month period if you're looking at it as a business. Now you've got anything can happen in markets. I mean, anything can happen in markets, and that's why I say don't ever borrow money against securities. That markets don't have to open tomorrow. I mean, you can have extraordinary events. So I think to some extent you can get some of the instruments that people don't understand very well that have a lot of firepower in them.
Like
and
the volatility index and things that are tied to that.
The idea of people taking a position, and they're gambling, they're not investing. Nobody's investing when they buy some supercharged index on how the VIX does or something like that. They don't need it in their life. It's an unnecessary instrument. Now, they will create instruments that the public will buy, and you can just count on that. Wall Street's been doing that since they met under the Buttonwood Tree in 1792 or whatever it was on the exchange. So, but if you're investing, if I'm going to buy a half interest in a McDonald's stand and you're going to run it, or a McDonald's franchise and you're going to run it, I look to the business to determine whether I've made a good investment. And I'm concerned about whether we have new competition, how we do over the years. But it's the business I look at. When you're just looking at the price of something, you're not investing. I mean, if you buy something, Bitcoin, for example, or some cryptocurrency, you're not looking to the asset itself to produce anything. If you buy an apartment house, you're looking at how the apartment house does. If you buy a farm, you're looking at the farm does. If you buy a whole business, you're looking at how the business does. If you buy a part of a business, why shouldn't you look at how the business is going to do? But people get charmed by lots of action and the fact that things are liquid and all of that. And it does have repercussions back into the market when